Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Marta Make Fine Art Black and Grey set from Kuro Sumi Imperial. So let's take a closer look. The Fine Art Black and Grey set was created by Kuro Sumi in collaboration with pro team artist Marta Make and is inspired by academic drawing methods and techniques. This ink set joins Kuro Sumi's EU REACH compliant Imperial range and consists of the following colours: lightest light, medium light, darkest light, lightest dark, medium dark and darkest dark. The fine art set encompasses a wide spectrum of the black and grey scale, so tattoo artists can create highlights and shadows in their work without the need to mix shades. Marta herself formulated the set to serve artists as a guide for their black and grey tattoos, especially portraits and realism work. It makes for a great grey wash palette and will result in smooth shading and excellent healed work. All links in the Kuro Sumi Imperial Marta Make fine art set are vegan friendly and produced from high quality organic materials, resulting in flawless, vibrant inks. The fine arts black and grey inks from Kuro Sumi Imperial and Marta Make are available in 44ml bottles and can be ordered individually or as a complete set from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of these Kuro Sumi Imperial inks? Will you be trying them out for your black and grey work? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.